Good morning, palm lovers. Just checking out my Sabal Palmetto here. Doing pretty good. Its new spear's popped open. You know, I was worried about it for a long time, but I'm pretty confident she's doing real good now. Um, it's been about a year and 2 months. Um, and they said it takes about 2 years for it to really establish. So, I've already had one that died. So this is my second attempt at it. The center spear just pulled right out and it stunk. It was a bad situation. But this one is much better. Much better. And that's my my Canary Island date palm that I mailed to myself from Arizona. Got it from a Home Depot out there. I cut it up and mailed it to myself because I can't find a large Canary Island date palm around here. I tried, I just couldn't find a larger one, so I got that one. And it hasn't done much since May. You know, it probably stunted it. Probably won't do much for a year. But it's got a few spears in there, and it stayed really green all summer now, so we'll see. We'll see. My seedling Canary Island date palm, I'll show you, I'll take you over there. This Canary Island date palm came from a seed off eBay. It's about 1 year, maybe a year and 5 months old. So look how huge it's gotten here at the base. I mean, it's looking so good from a seed. About a year and a half, because for the first 4 months, you know, it didn't pop, and then finally it popped and made a little, it looked like one of those, and then it kind of turned into, which one? This one over here. Like that one. And then it morphed into, boom, more like bigger, like that. So those are doing really good, and I'm not going to put them in the ground this year. But as they get bigger and bigger, I'm going to probably think about trying some Canary Island date palms here in Charlotte. But I don't know.